What you're looking at over here is a statistic that shows us that the 1% of the wealthiest people in our country today currently own about 1/3 of the reserves inside of insurance companies. 1% of the people in this country own about 1/3 of all the reserves, the billions and billions of dollars that's out there. And if you look at the top 10% of Americans today, they own about 60% of the reserves inside of insurance companies. And these aren't just individuals that are doing this, by the way. It's also the companies that we've gotten used to putting our money in. That's right, banks. Remember what I said earlier? Banks don't hold on to money. Banks' reserve requirements in America today are 0%. Right? So I used to think, I grew up in a small town, middle of nowhere, and I used to think that when you took your money to the bank, all your money was in the bank. And if a bank robber came by, then of course all your money was gone, right? And I'm like, well, that's a problem. Well, that's actually not what happens. Banks make money by investing in and loaning it out. Well, it's interesting when you look at these things, some of the biggest banks you've ever heard of. In fact, a total of over 3,800 banks own over $190 billion in reserves inside insurance companies. And guess what they do with that? They loan it back to us. And they certainly charge us quite a bit more interest than what we're making, when we go to the bank.